Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can abandon quests in Genshin Impact. So guys, you can see your quests right over here. There's an exclamation point over here. Just tap on it and these are your quests. So if you are in a certain quest like this one, as you can see, I'm in the start of contamination, this quest. So I can just choose to navigate it if I want to do the quest, but if I do not want to do the quest, then I can just cancel navigation. You cannot remove this quest from this page altogether, but you can choose to ignore the quest and move on. You cannot abandon quests like Archon quests because they are very important to the story, so in order for the game to progress, you must complete these quests. But world quests are not necessarily important, so you can abandon them. But it is advised not to because they will be very important to you, especially the rewards. So guys, that's how you abandon quests in your Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.